Assalamu alaikum. The topic that is going to be a part of our discussion today is all about electrolysis. So, first of all, here electro means electricity and lysis is related with the process breakdown. So, we can say that electrolysis is a process in which certain ionic compound break down with the help of electricity. Here, these type of reactions are unable to take place to happen in its own, means these all are non-spontaneous redox reactions. Further, in electrolysis, greater the supply of electricity, then greater will be the rate of reaction. Electrolysis mainly required three apparatus. First of all, electrolyte, and then electrochemical cell, and the last thing is electricity. Electrolyte is an ionic compound that could be present in the form of solvent, means with water, or could be present in the molten form. Further, electrochemical cell have electrodes also, which are cathode and anode. Now, to start electrolysis, we will take an electrochemical cell and we will add some electrolyte, that is copper chloride, and add two electrodes. One of them is cathode and another one is anode. Then we will attach a battery, or we can say a DC source that will supply electricity, and then both electrode will acquire charge. Cathode acquire negative charge and anode acquire positive charge in the process of electrolysis. Now consider if we have a copper chloride solution for the purpose of electrolysis that contain copper and chloride ion. Basically, at cathode, copper ion will gain one electron and reduce to copper metal and deposit on it. So, we can say that reduction occur at cathode. Similarly, at anode, chloride ion lost one electron and at the same time it become chlorine gas bubble. As a result, here copper chloride is being converted into neutral copper metal and chlorine gas. Similarly, if we have copper sulfate solution, then by the process of electrolysis we can convert it into the neutral copper and sulfate. This process will continue until all the copper metal atom present in the solution will deposit on the cathode. I hope you understand electrolysis very well. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.